Hi, this is Dan and welcome to Habit Made. I'm super excited for today's video because this is going to be a two-part tutorial. For this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create these cute cement pots, and for the other video, I prepared a how to make a macrame plant hanger if you would like to display your plants hanging. So, let's get started. For some materials, I just repurposed some items that we're not using at home anymore. Like this baking pan that I'll be using as a container, this molder, this ladle that I'll be using as a mixing tool, this measuring cup, and this toothbrush. First, make a hole at the bottom of the paper cup. And put the pencil or stick through. This will create the drainage hole for our planter. Pencil should be sticking out at the bottom of the paper cup. Next is we need to put oil inside the molder to prevent cement from sticking. We also need to apply on the outer side of the paper cup. Time to mix your cement and concrete sand. Get any measuring cup. Ratio is 1 cement to 2 concrete sand. For this planter, we'll have 2 cups of cement and 4 cups of concrete sand. Then slowly add water. We can still add water if needed. Mix until we have the peanut butter consistency. Now we're going to fill into our container. Make sure the pencil is touching the base of the molder. Fill in something heavy to stop the cup from floating. In my case, I'm using these marbles and stones. We can also add masking tape to secure the paper cup from moving. I'm also creating another planter using this spool. This is a very nice molder to make a concave shape planter. For the concave planter, we'll have 1 cup of cement and 2 cups of concrete sand. Again, ratio should be 1 part cement to 2 parts concrete sand. Then let it dry for 24 hours. Once it's dry, slowly remove them from the mold. Sand some rough parts. Now time to transfer this to its new home. You could also draw faces to make it extra cute. Or you can display them hanging. You can check out my tutorial on how to make a macrame plant hanger in this video. If you find this video helpful, please share it with me by using the hashtag HabitMade and tagging us on our social media accounts. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on our next video.